Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rupali Udhani and I welcome all of you in Rupali's Health for All channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing weight controlling tips to those who gain weight in the lockdown. Global pandemic shutdown due to COVID 2019 crisis, many different sector employees allowed to work from home and many of them they are complaining now weight gain. So we will be seeing today simple weight controlling tips in today's video. So all of you knowing diet and exercise is the most important part which plays important role in controlling the weight. But the healthy lifestyle is also very important to control the weight. So we will see one by one what are the different causes, bad habits or faulty lifestyle lead you to increase weight. First thing, when we are going daily to the office, we are carrying tiffins, or if we have a canteen, we have a fixed time of eating, or we are taking fixed quantity for eating. But when we are at home, the time is always mismatched. It is not followed regularly, and so the time is missed, and the home food is tasty. So fresh food, so we are eating it in more quantity. So the time is changed, even quantity of food taken is also changed. And even we are at home, so in between also we are munching on chips, sweets, salty food, whatever we are getting at home. So irregular meal pattern or irregular eating pattern that affects your health and leads to increase weight. The second most thing is you are sitting in one position for the longer time, static in one position when you are at home. So that is no movement, no activity, that is also leading you to gain weight. Third thing is that you are traveling to the office, that time has been saved, and that extra time you are utilizing on news channel surfing, then game surfing or recipe surfing. So that is also not utilized for physical activity. Then the fourth thing is that you are not getting wake up early in the morning because there is no office. So you have a late night sleep, and then you are getting wake up late in the morning. So your time of the sleep is also changed, and that is also affecting your health and leading to weight gain. Then overall, even though everything is looking very easy, simple and luxurious, then also back of the mind, one stress or fear is always running off कि when everything will come to the normal. So these are all different things which are leading to faulty lifestyle and which is affecting to the health and leading to weight gain. So one is supposed to correct what is the cause that making you to lead to weight gain. So correct that cause and control the weight. Second most thing is there is one very important popular saying by Dr. Josh is life is not to lose the weight but it is to gain the life. Because see, weight loss is not in number, weight loss is not in pounds, weight loss is not in inches, but it is the weight reduction with your complete health. So you need a very good expert opinion, doctor's guidance, clinical nutritionist support when you are losing your weight. Because when there is a weight increase, there is a metabolic disturbance is there, metabolic changes are there. And after all looking to your case, and after all doing the lab investigation, clinical investigation, then only we can come to know any hidden diabetes, any hidden blood pressure changes, any cholesterol rise is there. First we are supposed to rule out any metabolic disturbance is there, gross or pathological or clinical disturbance is there. We are supposed to rule out, and we are supposed to correct that cause, and then we need to be motivated, because to be getting motivated to lose the weight is very important things. Along with clinical expert follow up opinion, you need to be motivated, you need to be self disciplined, you need to be very positive, you need to be dedicated. Because weight loss journey, it is a healthy journey, it is a steady journey where transformation is healthy transformation from your bad lifestyle to healthy lifestyle. So you need to be very positive, steady, dedicated and continuously taking efforts to reduce your weight. Because sometimes you will see there is a fad in young generation to look slim and trim. So young generation, there is a fad to look slim and trim. So in that order, they go on hard exercises, they go on gymming. So that will put them into the drastic weight loss, and drastic weight loss is never good for the body. So weight loss has to be done with good care of all important organs like heart, kidney and brain. And it is the ideal weight loss when your health is maintained, your organs are very well preserved, there is no comorbidities, and that weight loss is good for your body. Then weight loss is not supposed to happen in one night, 1 week. It is a continuous journey. If someone is saying you, I did gymming, I did exercise for 2 months and I dropped down my weight, but as soon as I stopped my gymming, I started gaining my weight again. See, weight loss, you do it with exercise for some time, is not like this. You are supposed to do these changes, or you are supposed to adopt lifestyle, healthy lifestyle for your whole life. Then it is going to give you the benefits. You need proper diet, balanced diet, you need daily exercises, you need a very positive mindset, and with all these you can maintain your healthy weight. Then many times when the weight is going above 100 kg, 150 kg, bariatric surgeries always or often advised to you. So even the bariatric surgery is advised, and surgically fat is removed. Then also there is a bad faulty lifestyle is there in the body, and that again affects you to gain weight. So even after the bariatric surgery, you are supposed to adopt healthy lifestyle to get the good result of the surgery. Then again after surgery, many individuals start gaining the weight. So correct your lifestyle, correct your meal, correct your exercise, and then achieve ideal healthy weight. So what are the other simple caring tips you can do? See, always you consider yourself 2 to 3 meals in a day is sufficient. You fixed your timing, take the fixed quantity of food, and when you are not doing lot of heavy work, then you can consider light meal. You can consider grains like jowar, ragi, and also you can consider lot of green vegetables, buttermilk, soups in your diet. Then Indian spices are very good to maintain your health, to boost immunity, and also to reduce weight. So there are some spices which are bitter in taste, but they are very beneficial to control the weight. Overnight you can soak basil seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds in a water, and that water you can drink early in the morning. That is also very good to reduce the weight. Even early morning when you get up, first you can drink lukewarm water with lemon juice. That is also very beneficial for the body. It is detoxifying, and also it will reduce your weight. Then it is also very important to eat daily soaked raisins early in the morning. They are rich in fibers. So you need light meal, raisins, spices, light meal with proteins, because in each and every meal you need to consider proteins. Proteins are bodybuilding, you are not supposed to skip them proteins. Then fiber rich diet, that is also very important. And exercises, see, walking exercise will give you the relief for the lower extremity only, but you need to be activated whole body. So for the whole body activity, you are supposed to do running, walking along with yoga or cardio exercise. Then it will give you the complete effect. These are all the tips. Even along with this, detoxification of the body once in a week or once in a 15 days is very beneficial for the body, because detoxification means not like a fasting to eat sago or potato only, but it is to take lot of buttermilk, then lot of healthy juices for a day, that will clean your intestine. So detoxification of the body or intestine once in a week or once in a month, once in the 15 days is also very beneficial. So these are all simple weight losing tips for all of you. If you like my information, you can like and subscribe the video.